Kristalyn and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you what's inside the bag. This is my bag. I got this from Aldo and it's backpack, as you can see. Also, it's color blue, one of my favorite colors. So wala siyang masyadong ganap on the outside, just this design here. And ayun, isang open lang siya. It has a zipper. And pag na-open mo siya, yun, makikita mo yung mga gamit ko. And then, it has 3 pockets and 1 zipper sa likod. I don't know, as you can see there and there. So, let's start sa mga pockets muna, guys. So, sa first pocket, I have here my 2 ball pens. And, take note, guys, I always bring ball pens with me kasi just in case na kailangan ko mag-fill up ng forms or kailangan ko magsulat, hindi ko na kailangan maghiram or at saka hindi na hassle maghanap ng ball pens, diba? So, yun, para talaga ako nagdadala ng ball pen and also I'm a ball pen hoarder! So, ayun. Nandito din yung condo keys. And, yun na. The second pocket, I have here my driver's license, hair tie, oh, and hairpin. That's it. So, sa third pocket, I have, oh, this one. I always bring this with me, guys. So, talagang kapag nagpapalit ako ng bag, nilalagay ko din siya doon. And practical talaga siyang dinadala. Because it's a rosary. So, ayun. Wag na natin labas. Also, color blue siya. Same with my bag. It's cute. And the zipper naman, what's inside the zipper is that my earphones. And I always bring my earphones with me because pag nasa jeep ako or pag nagmamuni-muni ako, you know, parang hindi naman ako mag-work sa jeep. Charot. So, ayun. I also have an umbrella with me just in case umulan. At saka, of course, ang init din. So, talagang must need to and very important. I also have my fan with me. Kasi guys, pag nasa jeep at saka traffic, ang init. Tapos, I have my eyeglasses with me. So, I bought this one from Suns naman. Do I look cute ba? Char. Ayan. And I have my wallet with me. And the last thing inside my bag is this pouch. Pero, para mahaba-haba naman yung video natin, i-open ko na lang yung pouch. So, this is what's in my bag and what's in my pouch as well. So, ito siya, guys. So, dito muna tayo sa pocket ng pouch. I have my comb. And, mas prefer ko yung maliit na comb lang kasi okay, I also have my Beatrice with me. I'm the type of person na hindi talaga nag-aayos ng buhok. And yan yung gusto kong bahuguin sa self ko. Kasi gusto ko talaga neat yung buhok ko, maayos, tignan. Pero minsan tinatamad ako mag-ayos. Talagang recommended ko to sa inyo. If you want your hair to look smooth and shiny, this is the one. Kasi aside sa mabango siya, guys, talagang pag ano ba ang hirap explain? Pag magbulo kasi yung hair ko, nagsispray lang ako nito and brush your hair. And then, okay na siya. Like, tak na. Like, for me, and I've been using this since college ako and talagang maganda siya. And sobrang affordable na siya. I think it's 59 pesos. Basta less than 100 pesos na ito, guys. So, ayun. Sobrang nice. Sobrang nice. I also have my hand cream with me. And, of course, alcohol. Kasi hindi ko pa siya na-feel, guys. I have my toothpaste and, of course, toothbrush. Kasi every lunch, nag-toothbrush ako. And then, I have my powder foundation with me. I also have my lipstick. And kakabili ko lang ito ng lipstick na to. And yan yung suot ko. And then I have my tints here. So, this is a water tint from Etude. And I don't know if meron pa nito. Kasi if meron pa, I will buy another one. Kasi ito talaga yung go-to lip tint ko, guys. Like, if I look pale, if nagmamadali ako, ito lang lalagay ko. And then, boom! Okay na. Like, girl, pwede ka na mag-rampa. Charot. Pero yun nga, like, perfect talaga itong lip tint for go-to lip tints. Super nice. I also have my Peri-Pera lip tints here. This one is also my fave. And this one is also my fave. And I also have my matte tint. So, if na-notice nyo guys, I have orange. Ayan. So, lahat yan orange. Kasi it matches my skin color and I look great in orange. Tsaka more on lip tints ako. I don't really wear lipstick. So, that's it for my video, guys.